How's it going, folks? Got another unboxing to do today. This one actually came as a gift from Samsung for purchasing my Note 8. This is the Gear 360. I'll come clean and admit to you, I've already opened it and charged the camera. I've also added a memory card because there wasn't one in here. But I put everything right back as soon as I did those two things. Haven't done anything with it. Don't know anything about it. Not much anyway. I used my charging cable for my phone. It's the USB-C connector, and it worked just fine. Charge it right here. Memory card goes in right there. Fairly simple. But this is a 360-degree camera. According to the box, it's 360-degree 4K. You can do live broadcasting with it, easy editing and sharing, blah, blah, blah. It's about a good half pound on that little camera. So they've got a lot of text packed in here. And to turn it on, just push and hold the power. Now watch it not do like... Oh, you have to push the back and the power to get it to come on. And then you hit the red dot and it starts recording. Use the little screen there with all the battery life, memory, how much time you've used it. Has a 1/4-inch jack in the bottom, so that you can use it on your favorite little selfie stick, which I happen to have one of from before. Get a back button, link it up for your Bluetooth with just a press of a button. That's to let you know it's actually recording, and that's to let you know it's ready. I don't see how this is going to do 3D, but I've seen Casey Neistat's video with this camera, and it does actually do 3D, and it's pretty interesting. So, or not 3D, but 360. Yeah. Let me shut this thing off. All the power drained off slow. Alright, now that's the camera itself. And of course you get your obligatory instruction manual. Comes with another USB-C charging cable. It does not fast charge like the phone does. It may actually fast charge if you charge it on the charging brick. But like I've got the charging cradle also. It does not use the near field communication charging like the phone does. This is, I don't know. Got your wrist strap, but I have no clue what this big donut looking thing is. I got an idea what I'd call it, but it's not advertiser friendly, so I'm not even bothering. And you get a little bag that comes with it too, which I probably will wind up using at some point. But it looks like a perfectly pocketable camera. Of course, not with the charging cable and all the other stuff. But, I mean, all the bigger it is, you can slide that into a pocket easy. But, oh, there's where your camera strap goes. It's going to be interesting to see what kind of video I can shoot with this, and it does have a microphone on it, so it will pick up audio as well. So, eventually I'm going to get out here and do some recording with it, and I'll probably put it on the truck. Actually, that 1/4-inch mount will work on my antenna. I can take the antenna off my truck and put it right on the antenna mount and drive down the road recording in 360. That might be an interesting little ride. Anyway, just wanted to give you the unboxing of this, and I'm also going to attach the test ride with it. But it's kind of raining today, so I may not be able to get it done this afternoon. I might have to do it again later on. Anyway, that's the long and short of it. Thank you guys for watching. You have a great afternoon.